Hello, my name is Krishna. I'll be taking you through the series of topics in the Salesforce. The first of those is the security access. So, security access is a way of controlling the access to data that is there in the Salesforce application. So, there are multiple layers where we can control the access. Why we need to control the access? Because there should be a balance between what has to be shown to the users and what has to be hidden from the users as per the business requirements. So that is the reason why we need to enable the control with respect to the data access. So we can do it at different levels. We can do it at organization level, we can do it at object, record and the field level. So in this session we will be discussing how we can control the access to data at the organization level. So to control the organization level access, we have to set the IP ranges at the company level, using which we can allow the users to enter the application who fall within this range. But there is a provision for sending an authentication to the users who are not within this range, but who are valid users of the application, and then even if they are not falling with this range, they can access the application if they are logging in with the authentication code that they have received. The second method is setting the IP ranges at the profile level. The users who are falling within this IP range can be allowed access into the application. If they are not falling within this range, they will be denied access. The third setting or configuration that we as an administrator we need to do is the login hours. We have to set the login hours at the profile level. So for example, in a scenario where there are two sets of users, call center users and sales rep users. Sales rep users may be working for only 5 days a week, and call center users may be working all 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. So we can allow the sales rep users to log in only 5 days a week and to the specified business hours, while the call center users can work 24/7 and allowed access all the time, whether they are working from the company or they are working from a different location. So we can allow them the access. So these are the three ways we can control the organization access. Let us log in into the application and see where we can configure these settings as an administrator. The first one, the company level setting for IP ranges, we can log in into the security controls and network access and set the IP range, starting IP address and the ending IP address. So once you do this, the users who are falling within this range can be logging into the application. The second method, which is the at the profile level, we can log in, we can go into the manage users and profiles and click any profile where you want to set the, for example, I take the standard user and I will go into the IP ranges that we can set for the users. So we can set the IP ranges over here, login IP ranges, and we can specify the IP ranges that the users are allowed to log in into the application. Similarly, we can at the same place we can also have the login hours specified. So the users falling within this profile and having the login hours specified here, we are by specifying the login hours, we are enforcing the users to log in within these hours. So as I told you, we can mention the login hours and associate this profile to the users to control the access at the profile level. So we just discussed on the three ways of controlling the access, and also why we need to control the access at the organization level. Hope this topic was was interesting to you and found informative. We will be continuing on this discussion on the next topic, which is the controlling of data access at the object level. Thank you for joining. Hope we will meet soon. Thank you.